Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today doing an unboxing of my summer box from FabFitFun. We'll put it that way. I almost said it the other way around, but you know, it happens. Anyway, so yeah, I subscribe to the FabFitFun subscription. So which is you get 4 boxes a year, so you get one every quarter. So every season you get the fall, winter, spring, summer. So yeah. So this is my summer box. I have 2 more videos that I have to upload from my last 2 boxes that I did not upload, so I have to do that. So I'm actually doing my spring box and I'm gonna go backwards, and you guys will see the other 2 boxes that I unboxed too as well. So this is what the summer box looks like. Ooh, hey. So I also did what they call add-ons. When you have a subscription to them, you have the option to not only pay your subscription price, which is $50 plus whatever the taxes are. No, sorry. If you join, you get $10 off, so it's $49.99 plus whatever the taxes are, because you get $10 off. And I'll put that $10 code down on the bottom if you guys want to try it out. But otherwise, it's $60 every quarter, so it's every 3 months you pay $60, which is not bad because you get full-size product. And not to mention, like I said, you get the option to add on if you want to, which I added on to mine. And what I added on is I added on the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrub, the scrubber. So that was one of my add-ons, and I wanted to try this. So it's a body scrub, so you put your body wash on there and you can just scrub, and it actually exfoliates and cleanses your skin and softens it at the same time. So you're cleansing, exfoliating, and softening all at the same time. And everybody knows when you exfoliate, your skin looks much younger, much brighter and vibrant, and much softer. So, and another add-on that I chose was the AM and PM masks. So you use one in the morning and you use one at night. I added those on. It's only $5. So, which was nice. And I think this was $5 too. So, but yeah, so a lot of the stuff on there is very inexpensive, if you want to try it. Some of the stuff can be, well, actually, I haven't seen anything that's really expensive on there. I know if you go to, like, after you order, like, get your box and you like something, you can go to other websites, and it may be a little bit pricey, but don't quote me on it, because maybe you still get deals. I don't know. But I know that whenever I get my box, I'm happy with whatever I get. The stuff is pretty cool. So, with that being said, let's unbox. So, you will always get your FabFitFun magazine. You always get that in your box. Woo, yay. You will always get coupons for things that you want to try. And let's see what's in here. So this is pretty cool. Ooh, invisible baubles. So hair ties. Cute. First time getting those. Let's see. Generation Clay. Brightening purple clay mask. Ooh, can't wait to try this. Oh, definitely want to try that. Definitely. Ew. And I forgot to tell you, you can choose up to 3 items that you want in your box. Everything else is a surprise, but they give you an option. You can choose half your box, which is what I did, and I chose the kimono. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, y'all, that's really cute. Look at that. I need to do a haul for trying on stuff. I really do. That's cute. Really cute. Yeah, that fits good. Pretty sure it will. Alrighty, and I got Wish with Powerful Effective Naturals. Ooh, coconut milk and verbena. Exfoliating foot mask. Now, who doesn't need, ooh, sorry about the bright light, y'all. Who doesn't need an exfoliating foot mask? Ooh, nice soft feet. Girl's best friend. Let's see. From Kula, I got the makeup setting spray. wonderful with SPF and FPS. Yeah. Should put this way. There we go. From Coola. Nice. And who can't use an extra setting spray? Ooh. What is this beautiful item here? Ooh, this is my mystery choice. And you'll get one of these, which means you can just say surprise me, and you'll get one of these. And this is, I got Grown Alchemist. Ooh, hand cream. So let's take a look and see. I was like being surprised. I like choosing things sometimes, but I like surprises more. Ooh. Nice. So this is, yeah, vanilla orange peel hand cream. That's a nice surprise. I wonder what it smells like. It says vanilla orange. Let's find out. That's what it looks like out of the box. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, yeah. It smells like oranges. And vanilla. Ooh. Definitely be trying that. Oh, let's see. And we got Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Oh, this is a hydrating rose facial spray. Now that is something you definitely would like to use. And I'm in a dry climate, so I need all the hydration I can get. Nice, 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 nice. Ooh, this is another item that I chose. And this is Burn. You get 3 resistance bands. I actually ordered this one. So this is one of the 3 that I chose. I chose the kimono. I chose this one. And I chose... What else did I choose? Oh, up next. But anyway, these are 3 resistance bands. Gotta keep those buttocks tight. Yeah. So this is the other one that I chose. And this is 111 Skin. Harley St. London. And this is a Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So that's one of the things that I chose. So I will be trying that out. And I'll actually probably do a demo on it. See how I like it. Nice. This baby's heavy too. So wow. So let's see what the treatment entails in there. Yeah. And it tells you all the wonderful benefits of using this face mask too. So I will be trying this out. I'll be doing a I'll be doing a face mask video because I've got some other facial masks too. I've got hand masks, got face masks, and foot masks. So yes, I'll be doing a video on this one as well as the other 2 that I talked about. Yep. So that is my haul for my spring box. Again, I'll put a link down below so you guys can get that $10 off in case you want to try it. Like I said, it's 50 to 60 bucks every month. You choose the size you want. You can always upgrade too. I haven't upgraded because I'm happy with what I have. I'm happy paying the $60-some a month. You know, I mean, not a month. Every 3 months. Let me rephrase that. So every quarter you pay your membership price and you get your box. So yeah. But like I said, I got to do 2 other boxes because I didn't do my spring box yet or my winter box. They're still packed up, so I gotta do those 2. So I'll be going backwards instead of forwards. So yeah. Anyway, have a wonderful day, guys. I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.